Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Konrad ke Sangma haringkat bad Myntri ke Tnat ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei ba apol lingdo hine ke sengi kelap li perda ya ke jing ai jing syakri jong ke Tnat bala ai kerteng ke Travelers Nest ha ka shnong ki em ke badan hamau plang ke Travelers Nest ke don santli ki yeng rit bat ko ke restoran ke em Travelers Nest ke de ke project bala bay tengka da ke Megalion Age Limited Rangbah jong ke Megalion Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited ringkat ke jing bay tengka ke balong kendai pusau lang haba Plie ke te ke jakau Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ulak ke do halor ke jing don kam jong ke jing etre lang jong ki shnong ha ke ban penyat ya ke yok ke kot jong ke Jylla Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ula Plie perdaru ya ke bio fertilizer unit ke beningkong jong ke Jylla ha ke shnong ki em ha ke ni ke program Myntri Rangbah ula pelait ru ya prateli ki kalina ke bentaki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei
organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region and even to a large extent the state as a whole.